What's inside an RV van? Before entering, need to enter code in campground for security purposes. There are a lot of people here on campgrounds. Some of them have lived for years. This is a wonderful community for everyone, especially for families with kids. There are a lot of activities available here on this campground, but on this video we will just present you what's inside an RV Range Light van. There are lots of RV van here, but let us look further on the Range Light model. Before entering, can see the RV deck, which serves as the veranda or receiving area of the RV. We can also see that in this other area we can set up dining room for lunchtime or dinner. Before entering this van, let's take off our slippers. Finally, we can have a closer look of Range Light RV inside. This is the washroom area. Woo! As you can see, the washroom area has a toilet. Also with customized cabinets with a customized sink. Let's go check the other area and check the washroom area further later on. This is the customized dining area inside the RV. This customized dining area can also be turned into a fully functional bed for guests during nighttime. That door leads to the master bedroom, but we are off limits inside, so we can't feature it. This area is the customized kitchen area. This customized receiving area has TV, media players and speakers to entertain guests. This kitchen has a built-in refrigerator, microwave oven sink. Beside the kitchen is the receiving area for guests. As you can see, the customized kitchen area is all neat and clean. It boasts equipments that can help in daily grinds, like this coffee maker. We now go back to our washroom area to see the other functions. The two switches are for the washroom area light, and the other for the exhaust. And yes, there is also hot and cold water included when you purchase an RV van. This is the customized shower area built for the RV itself. It has fully functional shower and a mini bathtub. The shower area also has a sunroof. This is the exhaust fan of the customized washroom of the RV. I think we are ready to go. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching.